Hey beautiful people, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to share with you yet another delicious vegan recipe showcasing my Garbanzo chocolate chip cookies. So in the food processor, we're going to go ahead and add in all our delicious ingredients, which are garbanzo beans for a little bit of protein instead of using your traditional flours, natural peanut butter, maple syrup as our sweetener, baking powder, and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. And then we're just going to process this for 2 to 3 minutes until well combined, until we get a nice dough consistency. We're going to go ahead and transfer this into your favorite bowl, which I used a pumpkin bowl. Add in our chocolate chips and then mix this until everything is combined. You could always add more or less chocolate depending on your preferences. I typically like to keep it somewhere in the middle. For my husband, he would honestly just load the whole entire batter with chocolate if he could. Then I make these into bite-sized balls. You could also make it a more traditional cookie by flattening these out, in which I did half and half. I did half bite-sized balls and half traditional cookies by pressing them lightly with a fork. And this is our finished product after 15 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All the ingredients and how to make this recipe will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. But look at these. Don't you just want to taste these? These are so incredibly good. The moment you take them out of the oven, even the next day, and even 3 days after. But in our household, honestly, anything this good does not last long. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Follow me on my Instagram for more food porn. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Have a great day.